Have you heard of video marketing? Do you believe it can help generate more sales for you? Do you believe it can skyrocket your traffic to your website, to your product? Well, in this video, I present to you a video marketing course that is vital if you want really to generate traffic and sales from video. Stay tuned. Hello, we thank you for stopping by. Welcome to Hardcore Reviews, where we research on different products and give you our well-informed research facts on different products from different niches so that you can make a concrete decision on whether to buy the product or not. Feel free to suggest on other products you want us to review. So to begin with, when we talk about video marketing, this is not something new. This is something that has been in the system, that has been around for some time now, and that is something that has been used, or is being used rather, by marketers and influencers to death to generate more traffic, more sales, making more profit from their products. Video marketing, this is actually the natural way it's watching a video. You're actually seeing many different signals being flashed to you in the time span of fractions of seconds. So what's happening is that as somebody is watching you, they are seeing your facial expression, your gestures, your demeanor, the way you say the words, and how quickly you're talking. So the whole essence of this is they want to see, they have to relate to you. Can they trust you? Because if they don't trust you, they cannot buy from you. So video marketing is where you use now all these tools, you combine all these tools so that when you present a product, a customer is satisfied to say, okay, I can purchase a product from this person because why? You're convinced. When you look at their facial expressions, you can tell, yes, this person is genuine. I won't be scammed, because we don't want scamming. Hardcore reviews is where it comes in. Bring these products to our system, analyze them, and then you get to decide, should you buy it or should you not buy it? That's up to you. We'll tell you what we found from our well-informed research on that product. So it all leads to the question, should I trust this person or not? Bear that in mind when video marketing. So I'm talking about this modern video marketing course. This is what it will teach you, how to properly talk to your customers. The tonality you're supposed to use, the facial expressions you're supposed to use to convince the customers to say you are a genuine person and they should buy from you because your products too are genuine, you're not scamming them. They want that assurance, that security. So you need this talent, you need this skill. You have to learn it. They are natural, you have to learn it. And this is where this course comes in at a very, very small price. Something that when you implement, utilize, you're going to get more. That's 10 times more than what you're going to invest in this course. 10 video course, 10 videos in the course. You know that actually video marketing can generate more sales than email marketing? Of course, that is debated. You can attest with me that there can be a lot of debates in that. What do I mean by that? With email marketing, you have a list of people that you're targeting, right? You have your email list. So when you send the product, you're sending only to those people that are on your mailing list. But with video marketing, you have 1,000 people, 1,000,000 people, 1,000,000,000 people. Let's talk about Facebook. Let's talk about YouTube. 1,000,000,000 people watching that video. And what fraction of those people are going to buy that product? This is now where you get those skills, tonality, facial expression, how you use the words properly to convince the customers to say that your product is genuine, your product is going to help the people solve their problem that they are facing in their day-to-day marketing, and lives, etc. So different niches require different approaches. There's no one-way ticket. Just like there's no one-way ticket to making $1 million. There are different ways you can make $1 million. So video marketing has different video types or video marketing strategies that you have to use. And in this course, you learn all this, the type of videos that you need for a particular niche, for a different niche. Why am I saying so? Because each niche requires a different approach. The facial expression you use on one product may turn off the customers in another product because they don't want to see that. Like in a makeup business, you're a makeup artist and you're trying to sound so serious. You're selling in the market. For example, you're selling in the market, eyelashes, stuff like that. You're in that makeup market. And and then you're super serious. You're not really with no makeup at all. What do you think customers are going to be thinking? Oh, they want to sell us what they cannot consume. That's crazy. These little things that really differentiate between those that are successful and those that are not successful. Because once we ignore these pillars, foundations, our house, our business cannot stand. So in this video course, you learn all these, maximizing all these little foundations to build up a bigger house, or bigger brand, a bigger business that can bring you constant revenue. Now, there are a few things that I have to point out. That in this video course, what you get is that you get a lot of questions answered. Should I focus on quantity or quality? Should I really make it like 1 hour video or a 30-second video? Do I really need a script? All these things. If I need a script, how do I really phrase it? How do I really put it properly? How do I use video to increase my conversion? How do I use video to really generate more sales, more traffic? How do I convince customers? All these are well explained in this detail, because this is something that we've looked at the product, we've done our research, and we're convinced that if somebody really wants to take their video marketing to another level, this is one of the courses they should invest in. It is something that will benefit you, and in the long run, you get a lot of profit, a lot of sales just by implementing this tactic. But I must make mention that it's not just watching the video clip and sitting. Now, it takes action. You have to act on these little principles, these strategies, implement them in your video marketing. What's the miracles that unfold? The beauty of this video course is that it's packed with beautiful bonuses. And one of the bonuses that really impressed me was that it being a video course, they have incorporated an MP3 of all the 10 videos that are a package of the course. Audio files that you can be listening to while maybe going somewhere, just relaxing. And you don't have to be on the screen all the time. You can get these strategies while you're relaxing. That's the beauty about it. Other bonuses, you can get Twitter marketing. You get a detailed guide on how to do marketing on Twitter. You can get another bonus on Facebook marketing. By the way, the regular price for a Facebook marketing course is $52. You get it for free. Tell me that I'm beautiful. The other bonus that you get is video marketing excellence. In this course, you learn how to create and share fantastic high quality videos that will accelerate your sales and catapult your business into the stratosphere. I would actually shoot for the exosphere, but above the stratosphere. That's a good. You're talking about profits that you can live off of. That can sustain your business. You also get an affiliate marketing course. And the craziest part about this is that you can get this and try it for 30 days. If you're not happy with it, no hassle. You can ask for a refund. Be given no questions asked. 30-day back money guarantee. Now, who's this video course for? This is for anyone who wants to generate more sales, who wants to increase their conversion, and who wants to raise their profits so that they can sustain their business. This is for every marketer, for every entrepreneur. It has 10 high quality, in-depth videos that cover everything that I've talked about. If you think you're ready to take your business to another level by increasing the traffic to your products or services, boosting your conversions, your leads, and ultimately increasing your sales, we have provided you with an encrypted, secure link you can use to purchase the product. So both of us, knowing how active scammers are out there, that is why we have ensured that the links we have provided are secure through testing them ourselves at hardcore reviews by purchasing the products and seeing if the products are legit or not. Remember, action beats inaction. You snooze, you lose. Now it's up to you.